Disabling two-factor authentication on Google Photos can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are using the account linked to your Google Photos. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once signed in, click on the Security tab located on the left side of the screen. This section contains all security-related settings for your account. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Here, you will see an option for two-step verification. Click on this option to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. On the two-step verification page, you will see an option to turn off two-factor authentication. Click on Turn Off and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Review your security settings. After disabling two-factor authentication, take a moment to review your other security settings. Ensure that your recovery options and passwords are up to date for added security. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Google Photos account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular updates.